Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Secure Logon on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So there's a command, you can remember it easily, net for net, plviz. So net plwiz. Copy it, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window, paste it, hit enter, and then it opens user accounts. Go to the advanced tab, and then there is an option here, require users to press Control Alt plus delete to log in. Now why is this important? So every user will be required to press Control Alt delete before signing in. This guarantees that the authentic Windows sign-in screen appears, protecting system from programs that mimic a sign-in screen to retrieve your password information. So when you try to log into the system, there are a lot of third-party programs and cyber criminal created programs and malware which will create a screen which looks just like the login screen, but it's not the login screen, and they do not have this functionality that you have to press Control Alt delete to access them. So checking this option makes sure that you are safe in this case, but you will have to press Control Alt and delete each and every time. Click on apply and then on OK to save the settings. Now to disable it, the procedure is fairly simple. Go to advanced and then uncheck this box, click on apply, then on OK, and then reboot your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.